Hey guys, what is up? It's Killzone, and I'm using my tablet, so if it's not the best quality, I'm sorry. I'm gonna show you guys a location for a SWAT truck and a helicopter now. So yeah, you guys just want to okay, see if I can focus this. It's basically, yeah, you're right here by by the by the fourth gun store. If you guys have this one unlocked, it's by the fourth gun store. And yeah, you actually don't get in trouble for taking the SWAT truck, as I'll do right now. Get into the car. And yeah, see, look, no cops. I am online to prove it. Wait. Yeah, I am online. So if you guys like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And peace out.